In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MailChimp in Gohighlevel. We'll be walking through the connection process inside Gohighlevel so you can install the MailChimp integration quickly and without confusion. This is a straightforward setup, but it helps to know exactly where to click so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Gohighlevel and making sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want this integration to be added. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account settings, tools, and connected apps. From that left side menu, click on App Marketplace. This is the area where Gohighlevel lets you browse and install third-party apps and integrations. If you've never used it before, think of it as the place where you connect outside tools to expand what your account can do. After the app marketplace opens, move to the search bar. This is the fastest way to find the exact integration you need, especially if there are a lot of available apps listed on the page. In the search field, type in MailChimp. As you enter the name, the results should begin to filter automatically. Once the MailChimp result appears, click on it to open the integration page. This page will usually give you a quick overview of the app and what the connection is for. Take a moment to confirm that you're opening the correct MailChimp app before moving forward. Next, click on Install. This begins the integration process and tells Gohighlevel that you want to add MailChimp to your account. After that, you'll be prompted to continue, so go ahead and click Continue to move to the authorization stage. At this point, you'll see the final permission screen. Click Allow and Install. This step is important because it gives Gohighlevel permission to connect with MailChimp and complete the setup properly. If your browser opens any permission or confirmation windows, just follow them carefully and make sure the connection is approved. Once that's done, the integration should be installed and connected. If you don't see it update right away, give it a few seconds and refresh the page if needed. That's all it takes to connect MailChimp in Gohighlevel. If you're setting up multiple tools, it's always a good idea to double check that the correct integration was installed in the correct account before moving on. And that's it. You're now ready to use MailChimp with Gohighlevel.